Wait there. Lisa on the gravel road holding the camera. Or do you want to hold the camera?
Well, I think so.
Do you want me
fucking
two
drive.
hands? Ready?
Yeah.
Popped up. Full driving in the rally drive, bitches. You won't be laughing at my head problem.
Oh, wait, I'm just fucking holding on. Now, must be one of these. Take it right.
Right, yours?
Take it right. Yeah, you're right. I don't know. I didn't have time to see. You're right. Hey, Lisa, there's water down there. Can we run into it?
Hang on, I'll find someone yours.
Ah!
We're testing. There's a bumper back there. We might need that count.
Fuck yeah. There's a money track up there.
What? You want to go?
No. Ah!
If you make me swerve, we'll be in the middle of fucking nowhere.
Fucking hell, we'll be in the Gosses.
That made the speedo go over 60.
Did it?
Yeah, it went up to 70.
Ah, it's working.
It's now.
Look out.
There's no breaker, it's just full throttle.
Woo, she's flat. We'll be full throttle when there's no road.
Yeah, I know. Alright, look, there's a rock.
Oh, yeah, there's a rock sitting there.
Sitting on. Oh,
Another one there.
One in the middle of the fucking road. Look, somebody's on that side. This reminds me of fucking horse riding in the old days. Fucking.
What, this fast on a horse? Fuck off. I haven't even had time to have a drink.
No, but like up at Donahue.
Okay.
Having yours?
Here we go. Look out. There's more fucking water holes coming up.
Yeah, but they've got to be on your fucking side.
Yeah,
Winter
right.
up there anyway.
Yeah, exactly. I know what you're up to. Yeah. Ah, look out for a water hole. Nah, get out of it. Get out of that
Yeah, but
water
you
hole.
said we're going to have your brother.
Whoop.
Whoa, that was nearly fucking lost us.
It's worse than a fucking
This
Ferris
is
wheel.
what you do when
Look
you're
out.
fucking
Ugh.
driving.
You idiot.
Oh, well,
Nice view out there if I got time to
we
fucking
should've-
see it.
Oh, here's right. Oh, we need to slow down. Oh, we
look
should
out.
have put the dirt track. Look.
Well, slow down and sneak over there. Nah, too big.
Oh. Radio, we're calming down. Oh, look at all them fucking tyres. Do you want to have a
No,
look for us?
fucking you choke me. Seatbelt. Right, we'll hook a right. Okay,
Oh, God,
do you want to turn this off?
Which way's right? This way.
Yeah. And we'll come out up at Hampshire and then we can go down through the Emu.